How's it? How's it? Good morning. Good morning. Morning, everybody. Okay, so the word for today is sample. Sample? What you mean sample? Hey, guys, what? Can sample your Mushubi, yeah? Oh, no, can not enough for me. That's shamble. Sample, right? Like sample, and so on. So, if you look, it's kind of early right now. It's 6:30 right now. You know why we call them six turtles? But kind of 6:30. It's about 6:30 right now. Early birds get the worm. What do you mean by that? It's one proverb. When you get up early, your day would be great because you're gonna get up anywhere, right? Why are you going to sleeping all day? Get up, smell the coffee. All right. Early birds get the worm. Like